Jury deliberations begin in former President Trump's so-called hush money case. He's charged with falsifying business records to cover up a payment made by his former attorney, Michael Cohen, to a woman named Stormy Daniels, an adult film star. Joining us now to break down yesterday's closing arguments, also what's next, clinical law professor with Northwestern University, Juliet Sorensen. Thank you for being with us here, Juliet. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, we appreciate you taking time to dig into this a bit more. So for people who've maybe tuned out the trial or just kind of getting updates on their phone with push alerts, what's the most important thing coming out of this right now?
So the essence of the charges against President Trump in this first of 4 criminal trials, so there are 3 more coming down the pike, is that the president is charged with falsifying records to cover up a sex scandal with an adult film star. And the Manhattan District Attorney's Office has charged that former President Trump directed the hush money deal, reimbursed his lawyer and fixer, a man named Michael Cohen, and then falsified records to cover up the whole thing.
So yesterday we had closing arguments. I mean, that's always, a time for both sides to give their last and final words before the jury deliberates. Anything that really stood out from the defense's closing arguments?
Not surprisingly, the defense focused its closing on attacking the credibility of who was arguably the most important witness for the Manhattan DA's office, and that is Michael Cohen, the cooperating witness, the fixer, who himself has already been charged criminally and served a sentence. Michael Cohen testified about the extent of the deal, that he did this on behalf of former President Trump, and that he was then later paid by the president as reimbursement for the hush money.
And the people always asking a question. I see this a lot on social media when you just have public opinion. Does this have any major impact on the election? Is it too early to tell? Just weigh in on that for us a little bit.
It's really difficult for me to speculate. You have a presumptive nominee of the Republican Party who is being under scrutiny of the criminal process for a felony conviction. After the jury deliberates, if it returns a verdict of guilty, then the judge in the case, Judge Merchan, will be imposing a sentence. What happens if it's a sentence of imprisonment and this individual is a party's nominee for president? So really, so many issues come up in terms of voters' reaction to whatever the verdict will be, and what our separation of powers and Constitution does with that outcome, again, in the event of a guilty verdict.
And really quickly, because we have to move on here, but Juliet, quickly, it's not just prison time that could be a potential outcome for a guilty verdict. There's some other options as well, right?
Certainly. There could be a sentence of probation. There could be a sentence of a fine. So there are a whole variety of potential options in the event that the jury returns a verdict of guilty that the judge could impose depending on what he considers to be an appropriate sentence.
All right. So much more to dig into. Jury deliberations starting now after closing arguments yesterday. Juliet Sorensen, clinical law professor from Northwestern. Thank you so much for taking time and just giving us a little bit of input on the trial.
Thank you.